HomeZada has a great property market analysis report that is valuable as a potential seller or buyer to research current real estate values. You can access this new feature by clicking on the for sale dashboard on the main dashboard, and then click on the market analysis icon here. And the first thing that you can do here is download an actual sample. So let's see what this new report provides you. At the top, it provides you summary information about your house value as well as what your house could actually gain in the rental market in terms of its potential rent value. You get a summary view over the recent sales over the last 12 months as well as a value forecast. But it's a 10-page report, so you can start to drill in and get lots of details. At the top here, you start to see a map over the similar recent sales in terms of where your house is located versus where other houses have sold. Down below that, you see a table of the sale price, the date, the current value, size of the house. Here you can actually see an aggregate of the current listings, so other homes that are currently in the market, what they're listing for, what the list date is, how long they've been on the market, their overall size. You can get a historical perspective going back not just in terms of recent sales, but maybe 4 to 5 years back. And if you scroll further down the list, now you can start to get aggregate data that compares your house to other houses in your neighborhood in terms of its size. So where does it compete on size of house, size of the overall lot? How many other houses in your neighborhood have 3 bedrooms versus 2 bathrooms? What's the age of your house? And other market-related data as it relates to months of supply, whether it's a buyer's or seller's market. All kinds of great information as a potential seller so that you can understand what's going on in your current market, all aggregated in a meaningful report. So let's click out of that and go back to actually see how you could generate your own report. You just click on Get a Market Analysis Report, and the first thing it does is basically puts in your address from your property details page for you as the potential seller. And then this report does cost as a one-time $15 fee. You just click that and hit Generate Value Report. But think about this as a potential buyer. Let's say you were really interested in potentially buying this particular house at this address. You can basically hit in any address in America and enter in the zip code and get a value report for that particular address. So this obviously would help you as the potential buyer to understand the market conditions of the house that you're contemplating putting an offer on. And when this is done, it's going to send you an email of this report and save it in your property details page. Now that the report's done, you just close the dialog box. And now you can go to the property details page where you can see that the first report I previously ran was for my current house. And here we've actually saved the report for the potential house that we're considering buying. And all we have to do is click on that now to see that information. Now you get the exact same report, but it's for that different address. So obviously it's a different value, different price point, different rental value, all kinds of different information about this particular address and zip code. And essentially it's the same format, but obviously current data for that particular house. So you're getting to see recent sales around the house that you're interested in potentially buying. You're seeing what the other active listings are and what they're selling for. You're actually starting to see other listings that have been sold, houses that have been sold over the last 4 years. So this becomes extremely valuable information for you as a potential buyer to enter in every address in America and get that information. We hope you enjoy this new property market analysis report. Thanks.